You're running a home service business. Things are hectic. You're juggling appointments, managing your team, chasing payments. And then there's the paperwork. Endless paperwork. You're probably thinking, man, there's gotta be a better way. And you're right. There is. It's called Housecall Pro. But here's the burning question. Does Housecall Pro cost money? Let's dive in. First off, yes, Housecall Pro does cost money. It's a software as a service, SaaS platform, which means you pay a monthly or annual subscription fee. But before you click away thinking, another expense, let's talk about what you're actually getting for your money. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, grab your phone, and with a few taps, you know your entire day's schedule. No more scrambling for appointment books or trying to remember who's going where. Housecall Pro does that for you. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the coffee runs. But wait, there's more. Housecall Pro isn't just a digital calendar. It's a whole suite of tools designed to make your life easier. Need to send estimates? It's got you covered. Want to track your inventory? No problem. How about managing your team's schedules and tasks? Yep, Housecall Pro can handle that too. You're probably wondering, okay, this sounds great, but how much does it actually cost? Well, that depends. Housecall Pro offers different plans to fit businesses of all sizes. The price will vary based on the number of users, features you need, and whether you opt for monthly or annual billing. But here's the thing. While there's a cost up front, think about the time and money you're saving in the long run. Less paperwork means less stress. Better organization means more efficiency. Happy customers mean more referrals. So, does Housecall Pro cost money? Yes. Is it worth it? That's for you to decide. But based on what we've covered, it looks like a pretty solid investment in your business's future. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is all well and good, but I still have questions. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the description below, I'll link to Housecall Pro's website where you can get a detailed breakdown of their pricing plans. You can also check out some user reviews to see what other people think. And hey, if you're still on the fence, consider this. Even a small investment in the right tools can make a huge difference in your business. So why not give Housecall Pro a try? You might be surprised at how much it can improve your bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.